ऑनलायन वखदां विक्री आड आनी हेर मागण्यां खातीर रसायनशास्त्रज्ञांनी केल्ल्या निशेधाक लागून भारतभर एक दीस फार्मासी बंद दवरल्यात. ऑनलायन प्लॅटफॉर्मांचेर अवैध पद्दतीन जावपी वखदांचे विक्रेचो निशेध करून संपाक तेंको दिवपाक बुधवारा 20 मे गोंयांतल्यो फार्मासी बंद दवरल्यात. पूण आपतकालीन सेवा दिवपी फार्मासी आनी हॉस्पिटलांतल्यो फार्मासी उक्त्यो आसतल्यो.
Response has been fantastic. It is almost a 100% strike because सगळीकडे आम्ही अजून वचून आयला ते पळयत जाल्यार सगळ्यांनी आपले फार्मसी बंद दवरल्या.
All over Goa reports येता, they all have been shut. They were 100% success. Only those are open are only the hospital pharmacies. As planned earlier, as a service to the community, we have kept the pharmacy only attached to hospitals open.
Now, Pratik Akke, we are getting feedback from everywhere. There's not a single chemist which will be find open today. Maybe sporadically something like this Jan Aushadaya, but they have been exempted from this strike. And hospital pharmacy open. Otherwise, the response has been fantastically good, and we are sure it will lead to a success for the chemists, because this will open the eyes of the central government. Because we are getting reports from all India also, it has been a big success.
Your demands were the genuine demands. So do you think it will be?
Yeah, the basic demand as regards the online sale of drugs, which is going on, and that demand is also already there with the government. Plus predatory pricing also जो आसा, हे दोन major आमचे demands आसा, and there's those sections which have been there, section 817 and 220, which was invoked during the COVID time, that we have requested for the rollback, so that there is all this rampant sale of medicine that is happening online, that is spoiling the market as well as spoiling the youth. That we have already asked for, and I think government is in a serious considering that.
In fact, there was a meeting with the All India body and Minister of Commerce Piyush Goyal, and Mr. Piyush Goyal has been very, very sympathetic towards our demands, and he has promised that he will take it forward with the central government.
This unity is very much essential because today say it is the survival of the fittest. Because if this is not going to be done, then I think that is the end of it for us, and the trade will suffer as a whole. So I think we have to thank all the chemists and all our other partners also, especially the corporate chains that have also participated in this band. For all the wholeheartedly they have supported us, and the band has been a big success.
So what will be the next step if you think so?
Now the next step would be, we will definitely see how this thing is, and it is our All India body, that is the All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists, that will take a call on this. They will certainly meet, and we will have a meeting together, and then the next course of action will be decided very soon. The due care was taken because we have addressed this issue last week, and we had appealed to all the patients and customers in particular that since this is going to happen on 20th, they should stock all the required medicines, and only in case of some emergency medicine that they require, we have always kept that option open of hospital pharmacies for them. So I don't think the patients are at inconvenience at all. And plus we have given our numbers also, they are free to call us if they have any problem whatsoever for getting the medicines.